empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
It's Jay Steez and I'm about to do the acapella contest. I said Steez had flow since back then when Kanye had the jaw breaks, dark fade backpacking it. Got it down packed since he came back with heartbreaks, rocking Aqua 8s in a jacket just to match with it. Who would imagine years later, just from spitting them lines, that I would be here picking up dimes by the dozen? And homie, if you think that I'm lying, just ask my cousin. He asked if I could set him aside a couple. Burn paper, burn rubber, stretch plastic, smashing and we dashing like New York City traffic. I need a genie with a body like Jasmine so we can get lifted off the perp like Aladdin. You would've thought it was Arabian Nights, and lady, you can stay the night. That's if you taking a pipe. I stick game like defense. Had to be retarded if you didn't think Steez was working magic with the Johnson. Now, we all stars like Taylor Gang. Say the name, wear the chain, only smoke paper planes. Kush got different colors like bathing apes. Chop a can of orange juice when I wake him, babe. But it's all the same if you ask me. Jay Steez keep them bumping like Agni. You know the team, we run it like athletes at track meets. And ain't nobody coming past me. Just a little youngin' passing them by. As a youngin', you could always see the passion in my eyes. To my mama, I'm sorry that I had to see you cry, but I'm chillin' with my homies and we laughing for the night. She said, never let them niggas catch you slippin', and never give your all to these cold-hearted bitches. As an infant, you always been gifted with the Midas touch. Might as well use them gold caps for your protection. Cause I ain't ready for no grandson. You always been a womanizer like your dad was. And I see you trying to have fun, but it's hard to fight temptation when you tall, dark, and handsome. So can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you moaning, I'm going in. So tell me how you want it. Cause Steez, he never kid like orphans and abortions.